You pull your kid out of public or private school, and now what? A lot of families do something called deschooling. Deschooling is the adjustment period between a child goes through between leaving a public or private school and starting homeschooling. And during that time, we as a family, all of us, need to let go of the public or private school culture so that we can really embrace and enjoy the homeschooling culture. If this is the first time you're joining me, welcome. My name is Kylie Evanz. I'm a homeschool mom of two and a realtor in the Tampa Bay area. On my videos, I like to share with you things that working moms, dads, parents can do, as well as a whole lot of homeschooling stuff. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified each time I post a new video. Okay, deschooling. What do the kids do while they're deschooling? They do whatever they want. They do whatever they want. We let them hang out. We let them play video games. We let them sleep in. We let them kind of just reacclimate to being home and being with the family. The length of time that you deschool, it really depends. I've heard, people say with each number of years that your child has been in the public or private school system, you could give them a month of time. So I did it that way. I pulled my one daughter out when she was in second grade and pulled the other daughter out when she was in kindergarten. So kindergarten they're still babies. So she did whatever the second grader did. And we did about 3 months where they just kind of hung out. And during that time, I used that to kind of see what they like to do and, what their interests were and like which direction we were going to go when we starting to homeschool. So if you need a little break, your kids probably do too, just kind of readjust, let them do what they want to do, and then you get started. All right, guys, I hope that helps. That's what deschooling is. Deschooling is the adjustment period a child goes through when they're leaving a school and starting homeschooling. And you go through it too. So if you need anything, you can reach out, put a comment below, email me, and I'm here to help. That's all I want to do. All right, guys, talk to you soon. See you next week. Bye.